Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be attempting to build a solar death ray or a parabolic mirror out of a old satellite dish. As you can see, I already knew this is not going to work out, but I did it anyway just for fun. So as they say, either you succeed or learn something new. So ladies and gentlemen, let the game begin. I decided to use aluminum foil for the reflector and a parabolic dish because it's shaped exactly like a parabolic mirror. You just have to stick a reflective surface on top of it and it becomes a parabolic mirror or a giant concave mirror or whatever the hell that is. So why this experiment is going to fail? Because this experiment was lacking accuracy and also precision, and this experiment was lacking both of them. That tiny bubble which you see in between that reflective surface and that parabolic dish, that creates distortion in the focal length and screws everything up, which makes this experiment useless. And even though that distortion makes it off just by a fraction of a degree, it makes it completely useless as it can't focus the beam to a so we can't focus the light beam to a desired focal length, which makes it completely useless and kind of affect the intensity of light and the total energy in that focal point, which makes this project completely useless. So enough talk, let's test it and let's see how it performs. Initially I decided to test it in a less intense sunlight. As you can see, even though the sunlight was not that intense, it was feeling very warm on my hands, and I decided to test it in full sunlight. As you can see, I came to my roof, and I kind of tilted it in a wrong direction to test out what if you don't focus the whole sunlight to a beam and kind of fragmented in a fragmented way, and it was kind of feeling very warm, kind of very uncomfortable warm. And I tried to burn something, but it was not burning. So I decided to use a black sandal which absorbs most of the light falling on it, and it did. And to my surprise, and it was completely disappointment, it didn't even smoke. And I decided to use to I decided to find out its focal length. So I put a piece of paper or cardboard in front of it, and I found out the focal length where it was all being focused to. And I decided to heat up a bowl of water, and now let's just simply find out the focal length and put a bowl of water in front of it. As you can see, it's really bright, and let's just put a bowl of water in front of it. Even though the beam is not that bright enough, it's bright enough to blind you. So I was kind of very scared. As you can see, I was not going in front of it, as this might cause a third-degree burn or even blindness if that beams hit directly in my eye. So I was scared. I was not going directly in front of it. It was kind of starting to burn the skin. I could feel the burning sensation within a fraction of a second. So I felt that water was kind of feeling warm, not boiling but warm after few seconds. That is it guys, thank you for watching.